Now open your SST copies, mention the date. These are the question answers of the landform. Classwork लिखिए Unit 1 Geography, Lesson 4 the landforms. Topic question answer, page number 32. Your first question is, in which province will you find the Western Highlands? Answer is, the Western Highlands can be found in KPK, Balochistan and parts of Punjab. Question number 2. Which is the highest peak in Pakistan? How high is it and where is it located? Answer is, the highest peak in Pakistan, Mount Godwin Austen or K2, is found in the Karakoram Mountains. It is 8,611 meter high and the second highest peak in the world. Now question number 3. Name the main passes found in Pakistan. The Khanjre Pass, the Karakoram Pass, Lawari Pass, Khyber Pass and the Kojak Pass.